TF4.
Yeah.
Then put it on this cartridge. Very easy for anyone. Then you'll see clean the table and then put the molding on there. The table has the 90 white. Even go front you see. No problem, yeah. We already told this level. No problem. And for this cutting machine, you need to adjust that cutting stop, the V stop.
Yeah.
V stop is so black, we will go that. We will have the laster to make the white light according to the light. Yes. And then later just the cutting.
这个机器我们用了很好用了，用了呀，大概用了1年了。
很棒，很棒。They told us it's a great machine. They need to order more. See, in the top, in the first one, the only this saw blade will come. You see the corner, we go to the port. It will has the air flow below it. See here, it's clean.
This is not the machine.
We go here. We go here. Here, this side. All the dust will below to here. To that port. To that port.
Very good.
This is the button side, but for the waist is here.
Yes.
You can almost there.
Almost as it, yeah. There's a lot of problem with automatic saw machines is you always have very big waste because of machine sensor. So it's always about 4-inch waste,
Yes, yes.
but not this one.
Yeah.
This side is bigger, this is smaller.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's on both sides of the frame.
Oh, okay.
Big length, small length, big length, small length.
Yeah.
So no, but this is 1,
We can-
2, 3, 4, 5 big length and 1 small
We
length.
can make a 12 different sizes. In one
Like one length, yes,
Yes.
okay. But this is for less
Here,
waste.
here length we have 3.5 meters.
Yeah, 3.5 meters.
Yes.
But he's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big length and 1 small length
Yeah.
for no waste.
Yeah. You can count that. Count that. And then in there, in left side also has the one. It will all the corner will go inside the there. Yeah, go to easy to clean. When you finish cutting, the port will go back side and will open the door to make it inside. Yeah, automatic open. Yes. And see here, easy to put it on cartridge. Very simple to make the car.
So he's cutting 90 because of this is very thin.
Yes.
He's cutting 90
Yes.
length.
Yes. The maximum for this five wise.
Can we make this
Wise.
bigger? Can we make this bigger?
No.
Only longer.
Yes. Only longer because.